Hey guys, welcome back to Salt and Prepper. Today we will be cooking mutton Roganjosh in the Kashmiri Pandit way. But before starting, go subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you like the video, then please share it with your friends and family. I have written down the entire recipe in the description box both in English and in Assamese. Do check it out. Now let's begin. Here I have 3 bay leaves, 2 dried chilies, black pepper powder, cumin powder, then cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, fennel seeds, then dried ginger powder, then Asafoetida, that is Heeng. This is going to be very important in this recipe because we are not going to use onions. Then Kashmiri Mirch powder and half a lemon. Then here I have 200 to 250 ml of curd and half a kg of mutton. First, add salt to the mutton and then squeeze the lemon half over it. Now give this a nice mix. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now mix this well. Now heat a pan and add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 7 to 8 green cardamom, 1 to 2 black cardamom. I'm using only the seeds here and not the cover. Then 5 to 6 cloves, 3 teaspoons of fennel seeds, now roast this for 2 minutes until they start releasing an aroma and then shift them into a mixing jar. Now we will be grinding the roasted whole grain spices into powder. Now add the mixed spice powder to the curd. Then 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Mirch powder. Then 2 teaspoons of dry ginger powder. One-third teaspoon of Asafoetida, that is Heeng, and now mix this well. Add salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give this a nice mix. Here I am adding 2 more teaspoons of Kashmiri Mirch powder to get the perfect color and mix all of this well. Now heat a pan and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of mustard oil. The flame should be on low to medium and then add 2 bay leaves, 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 dried chilies, 4 to 5 green cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom, and now add the mutton to this. Fry this for 10 to 15 minutes. And then put on the lid and lower the flame. After 20 minutes, uncover. By now the mutton will start to release water and we will be adding the spicy curd mixture to this now. Give this a nice mix. Add approximately 200 ml of water. and now cover it for another 20 minutes. Now heat a pan and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. You can also use refined oil instead of ghee, but it is said that it works better in ghee. And now comes the special ingredient, that is Ratanjot, to give our Rogan Josh the perfect deep red color. Now after our ghee turns fully red, we will remove the Ratanjot. And here after 20 minutes, uncover the mutton and add the Ratanjot ghee mixture to this. This will give our mutton a very good color. The use of Ratanjot for color is one of the basic speciality of Kashmiri Pandit Roganjosh. The Kashmiri Pandit Roganjosh usually has very less gravy, but if you want, you can keep some more by placing it off the flame sometime before. And thus it's ready to be served. Hey guys, hope you liked the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get timely updates.